Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Try the World monthly snack subscription box. For those of you that are not familiar with Try the World, they offer monthly snack subscription boxes that encompass different snacks and foods from across the world. It's a cool, unique way to get exposed to cuisines that you typically would not get exposed to on a regular basis, at least here in the United States. You can check out their website, but they've got a wide variety of customizations for the subscription in which you can either send this to yourself or send it to others as part of a gift. And they offer different price points as far as the number of snacks that you can include in the box. And from there, you can also choose which countries or different nationalities that you include in the box as well. As always, if you're interested in potentially subscribing or signing up for this, you can check out their website using the link below. But what we'll do now is get this box open and take a look at what comes inside. Alright, so this is the Try the World monthly snack subscription box. I actually got this from the company for review in this video. I've actually never signed up for it, so I'm curious to see what actually comes in the box, so we'll just get this open. As far as the snacks that are incorporated into this box, I'm not entirely sure which month this is from. You've got Baja dried fruit mangoes, which are pure mango strips, chewy, sweet, tangy, no added sugar, non-GMO, and 100% Mexican mangoes, so they're from Mexico. So that's the first snack. Next, you have the exact same thing, which is the second one of those. Beyond that, you have the bento ice cream, jelly gum, yamusak secker with fruit juice, maybe Sulu. I'm not entirely sure which country this is from, but that's pretty cool, unique, interesting. It looks like it's like a gummy ice cream treat or gummy that tastes like ice cream. So that's that. Very similarly, you have a second one of those. Then you have this, which is Swiss Dutch cheese Sandener waffle filled with Dutch cheese ice cream, which is this. Okay. Another one which is virtually identical to that. Then you have soft candy stick. This is mixed fruit, artificially flavored, made in Denmark. So it's some soft candy stick that you can get from Denmark. There's two of those. Then you have Choco hazelnut cookies. I'm curious what Unibis. I'm not entirely sure where this is from. Let me see if I can see it on the side here. Made in India, so that's from India, and they're going to be chocolate cookies. And then lastly, there's some sort of drink or can in this container, so we'll take a look at what that is. So this is Zoka the Cacao Fruit of Cool, which is chill out with the Simply Syllabrous cocoa fruit soda, which incorporates mint. So cocoa is usually like a chocolate drink. I'm curious what this actually is. It says basically sparkling water, reduced cocoa fruit juice, organic spearmint, and peppermint. It's from Ecuador, and that's pretty cool, unique. That's something I probably would never have tried, is like chocolate mint soda kind of thing. It's weird, different. And then that's everything in the box. And then they've got here, this is like the T-spot. It says, all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. J.R.R. Tolkien, The Fellowship of the Ring. So there's a quote there at the bottom. But that's everything in the box. So real quick, we'll just go over it again. So you've got the Zoka cacao fruit like soda mint drink. You have the Choco hazelnut cookies, which I think were from India. You have the soft candy stick, which is like a mixed fruit stick made from Denmark. There's two of those. You have the Bebeto ice cream jelly gum kind of treats or snacks, which are kind of different. You have the mangoes that are the Baja dried fruit mangoes, which are from Mexico. And then you have this Swiss Dutch cheese waffle filled cream treat. So these are all very different. To be honest, I probably would never have tried any of these other than the mangoes before, but actually I'm allergic to mangoes. I can't eat them, so it's something I can't have. As far as the box, this box is from a while ago. It's been sitting for a little while. I just never got around to it, so they probably, I'm curious how this box compares to their more recent boxes. If you have questions, comments, post them below, but that's the Try the World snack subscription box. You can sign up for 5 to 7 snacks for $20 per month, 10 to 14 for $30 a month, or 15 to 20 for $40 a month. It's a cool, unique way to try like standard snacks that are in other countries that you typically would not get otherwise. You can either send this to yourself or send it to a friend. So definitely check out their website. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But that's the Try the World snack subscription box. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.